In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change team roles in Figma. If you manage a team, updating someone's role is how you control who can view files, who can edit, and who can manage settings and people. To make these changes, you must be a team admin or the team owner. Start in the Figma file browser. If you're currently inside a design file, open the Figma menu and choose Back to Files to return to the main dashboard. That gets you to the place where you can see teams, projects, and files. Now, navigate to the team you want to manage. On Starter or Professional Plans, look to the left sidebar, click All Projects, and select your team from the list. If your organization is on the Organization or Enterprise plan, you may first land on All Teams or All Workspaces. From there, find and open the specific team you want to adjust. This ensures you're changing roles in the correct space. Next, open the team member list. At the top of the team page, click the small drop-down arrow next to the team name, then choose View Members. This reveals everyone who currently has access to the team, along with their existing permissions. To change a role, look to the right of a person's name for the Permissions drop-down. Click it, then pick the new role you want them to have. Your options are Can View for View-Only Access, Can Edit for Edit Access to Files and Projects, Admin for Full Administrative Control, and Owner for Overall Team Ownership. Choose carefully, especially when assigning admin or owner, because those roles can invite or remove people and change team settings. If you transfer ownership, remember that there can only be one owner at a time. Once you select the new role, the change applies immediately. If you're transferring ownership, Figma may prompt you to confirm that decision before it takes effect. This extra step helps prevent accidental transfers. Here's a quick guide to what each role means. Can View lets someone see files and leave comments, but they can't edit or manage members. Can Edit allows full editing of files and projects, and they can organize content inside the team. Admins can update team settings, invite or remove members, and manage permissions across the team. The owner has all of those capabilities and can transfer ownership to someone else when needed. A few closing notes. You must have admin access to change other people's roles. These changes affect access in this team only, not the person's overall Figma account. And if you transfer ownership, you'll remain an admin unless the new owner changes your role.